Welcome back to Growth Catalyst Hub. In our channel, we focus on three things: skills, productivity, turbocharging your career. In today's episode, we are going to look at the critical 15 skills which can turbocharge your career. In today's world where AI is replacing all human beings at very fast rate, it is important to understand and learn the critical skills which can take your game up. What are going to be critical for your survival, which are going to be important for turbocharging your career. Some of these skills can be learned absolutely at zero cost. Zero cost. There are podcasts available, there are YouTube videos available, there are courses available completely free of cost. And today's world, if you have just a mobile phone and Wi-Fi connection, you are set on your course to learn these skills. What are these skills? How can you learn them? Why are these important? Let's jump in. Video editing is the next skill. If photography is all about still pictures, videography is all about moving pictures. If you're somebody who has a patience and who has the creativity and who loves to put things together, who loves to add sound to a moving picture, sound to a video, add elements to the video, make the video an interesting one, then you have a great career. Because today, each and every single person is either creating a video or creating a course or both, and they all need tons and tons of great videography, great video editing people. So learning video editing is a great opportunity because of today's situation where everybody is creating videos. And if you're a video editor with good skills of video editing, with completely free tools of video editing available like DaVinci, you have a great opportunity today in understanding, appreciating, helping people in creating those insanely beautiful videos. Next one on my list is foreign language. If you're a person who has a good air for a language, if you're a person who loves words, loves language, who loves comparing, okay, this word in this language means this, but the same word in this language means this. Or for this particular word, in this language is this word, in this language, this word, they are beautiful. And if you appreciate that beauty in languages, and if you are keen to learn a foreign language, then your great career. Today, with AI coming in, with technology making life easier in terms of translating and moving things from one language to another, the need for great foreign language people, the great translators, people who can speak languages is becoming even more important. So if you have a ear for the language, go for it. Learn key foreign languages. It could be Chinese, it could be Korean, it could be Tamil, it could be Telugu, it could be Kannada, it could be Malayalam, it could be any foreign language like Spanish. Go for it, learn it. Two things will happen. You will love learning as a process and you will also make tons of money. Next on my list is teaching. Not everyone is a good teacher. You would have learned this by now. We all have gone through school. We have all have gone through colleges where the ability to teach shines through. People who have the ability to teach, great teachers are always in demand, and we always respect people who have been able to simplify concepts, understand where we are struggling, and make both of these come together and explain to us. Some of those people are very rare. People may understand concepts, people may be able to understand and explain to you, but these skills coming together is not very easy. And that is where, if you have a passion for teaching, if you're able to simplify concepts, complex concepts, and if you love to explain to people, if you are able to intuitively understand where people may be struggling in doing this particular maths, learning this particular language, learning this particular skill, if you're able to intuitively understand where people may be finding it difficult, which steps are difficult, which steps to be coming after which steps, how to sequence the right way, and so that the learning of the skill, learning of the language, learning of whatever that one wants to learn is very easy, then you are on your way to making it very rich. Today, there are lots of courses getting created and lots of things are being taught, and you can become rich. You can help people by teaching great skills. If you're somebody who loves reading, if you are somebody who loves simplifying concepts, if you are somebody who are able to filter out critical things, then this skill called curating the knowledge is a skill that you already have. You just don't know it. There are tons of books available, there are courses available on how to curate things. Simply, the ability to curate is the ability to one, filter down things from different sources, connect the dots, which all would help people to see things from different perspectives. If you're able to give me the top 10 learnings from, say, 100 books and how these learnings are layered and connected with each other, I'll be ready to pay for it. And that is where curating knowledge as a skill comes in. Learn about it, figure out whether you have the appetite for it, figure out how to go about doing it in case you have the appetite for it. That can be a great skill, which can pay great money. You're an extrovert, if you love mingling with people, talking to people, then people management by itself is a great skill that you may want to explore and learn formally about so that it will help you and come in handy. Organizing an event is a people skill. Managing people is a people skill. Leading people is a people skill. So people skills are always in demand, very difficult for any AI, any time to replace. So if you love to work with people, then you may be already possessing people skills. So learn about it, formally about it, and understand where some of these love for people can be put together and displayed and put into use. There is knowledge in knowing something. There is even better knowledge in knowing who knows something. I may not know exactly what this particular skill is. I may not possess a skill, but as long as I know somebody who possesses this super skill, then I'm done. I just need to go to that person and get the skill displayed and worked for my organization. So knowing people is a great skill. And if you are somebody who's a connector, who connects people, oh, that person, I know this person and connect this person with this person. If you have that kind of skill, which is a super skill called connector skills, then you have a career in that, career in HR, career in connecting people, career in bringing people together. It's all people skill. If you are somebody who loves to work with people, connector skill may be a skill that you may want to think about and think deeply about. If you're somebody who loves to speak, there are two skills that I want to talk about. One, obviously, is podcasting, which is booming. It's like the radios of 2000, but you are the host. All you need is a mic, a theme to talk about, and an interest in talking about that. Boom, you are ready to podcast your way. Think about it. There are hundreds of books available. There are hundreds of courses available, again, free of cost, and it doesn't take any money to start a podcast. So think about it. Start your podcast today. The last one that I want to talk about is public speaking. 75% of the people fear public speaking more than death. And that is the power of public speaking. If you're somebody who loves to speak, if you're somebody who loves to add commands, loves to give ideas, and loves to dominate the stage, then you are on your way to riches. But learn the skill formally, learn the nuances of public speaking, learn the technical side of public speaking, where to keep the mic, how to keep the mic, and how to use your voice. There are hundreds of courses available. Learn the softer side of public speaking, what topics to take, how to judge the audience, how to learn about audience, how to learn about and pace your lecture, pace your course, pace your speech. Maybe it's a 10-minute speech, maybe it's a 1 hour speech, how to pace your ideas and points for 10 minutes versus 1 hour. When you formally learn about them very well, you are on your way to big monies and big fame. We talked about 15 different skills. All of these skills are going to be insanely useful when you learn more about it, when you learn formally about it, when you learn the technical side and the non-technical softer side of the skills. You'll be able to judge for yourself whether you love this skill, whether you have the appetite for the skill, and whether you can make a living out of this skill. And yes, a lot of people are already doing that. Go ahead, figure out, learn, pick up some of these skills, and wishing you all the very best for your learning and getting rich. See you in our next episode.